Joy to the world, the Lord has come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Longest time, you all are welcome back once again. If you're new here, this is the Renders family, and on today's video we are going to do a quick winter jacket haul. Okay, I didn't plan this video, it just happened. Please ignore the noise coming from the background. That's her way. That's her way. If she didn't get what she wants, it's like this. So I went to the town. I didn't plan it, so I decided to, okay, let me just check the TK mask. Okay, so getting there, I saw a few things that I like, and especially they needed at this period. Like I said, when we moved in, we just literally came with a summer clothes. We didn't bring anything at all, so I saw this. I said, okay, it's best I get it because we are in this season, so they need something to cover up. Please ignore whatever that you are seeing at the background. Please ignore whatever that you are seeing at the background. We are like this when we are trying to make video. Okay, so they are going to try it on, and you guys will see how it's on them. We got it and it came as in the prices I didn't expect it. It's so affordable compared to the brand. It's so affordable. So I saw it, I was like, okay, since I got it, and let me just surprise them. They did not expect they never expected me to get winter jacket for them. So they are going to try it on, and you guys will see how it is on them. And rate it from 1 to 10, okay, because the prices compared to the quality, everything is awesome. The price is so good. Okay, so they are going to wear it now. You will see how it is on them. Just look at, don't go away. And one more thing, if you've not subscribed to our channel, what do? Consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time we post a new video. So let's just go and see how it is. All right guys, here are the kids. That's Jason taking his own jacket, and this is Jessie taking her own jacket. Madam is coming to take hers. Okay, what Jason is having is diesel. Why Jessie and Jenny, both of them are having I think guess, oh no, DKNY. Okay, I saw this, I really love it. Most importantly, inside the girl's jacket is fur, so makes it so cozy and warm. Okay, to start with, Jesse's jacket original price is about 300 and either 351 pounds, and I end up buying this jacket at the rate of 59 pounds. You won't believe that. That was why I don't want to let it go. And for the girls, it's 250 pounds each, but I bought it at the rate of 39 pounds. So you see why I don't want to let it go, plus the brand, plus how the quality and all that. So just let me know what you think at the comment section. All right, so guys, we have come to the end of this video. The video, as you can see what's happening on the background, is one thing that whenever I remember to record with them, it drives me nuts. It's crazy. So we just did it anyhow we will see it. Okay, so how do you all find this video? If you like it, don't forget to thumb up, like the video, share it to any of your social media, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting on that subscription button right down there, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being there for us. We love you all, and we'll say bye for now.